What is hardware tools? To complete hardware repairs, it is important to have a toolkit that should contain all of the necessary tools. As you gain experience, you will learn which tools to have available for different types of jobs. Hardware tools are grouped into these four categories. First, electrostatic discharge tools, hand tools, cleaning tools, and lastly, diagnostic tools.
What is electrostatic discharge or ESD tools? Static electricity is easily generated by friction on carpets, tile flooring, clothing, hair, fabric, and etc. The friction of moving air alone will discharge suspended particles and caused by the build-up of static electrical charges on people and objects in the environment. There are two examples of ESD tools. First, anti-static resistor is used to prevent ESD damage to computer equipment. Second, anti-static mat used to stand on or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up.
What is hand tools? A hand tools is a device for performing work on a material or a physical system using only hands. It can be manually used, employing force, or electrically powered using only hands, and most tools used in a computer assembly process are small hand tools. There are 9 examples of hand tools.
Flathead screwdriver is a wedge-shaped flat tip used to loosen or tighten slotted screws that have a straight linear notch in their heads. Phillips head screwdriver used to loosen or tighten crosshead screw, and they were invited to cope with higher torsion. Torx screwdriver used to loosen or tighten screws that have a starlight depression on top of fracture that is mainly found on laptop. Hex screwdriver, sometimes called a nut driver, is used to tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screw.
Tweezers, also called forceps, used to manipulate small parts that can allow or reach our hands. There are size and shape of the items we can grab, grip, place, or hold. Necessitate the need for a variety of tweezers, tips, styles, and shapes. The I and F shape are ideal for isolation and classical. The A and X shape are ideal for classical. S shape is ideal for volume and isolation. L shape is for volume fan making. And lastly, the round shape is for removing tape.
Needle nose band is to hold small parts. Wire cutter is to strip and cut wires to improve the quality of an electrical connection. Barb retriever is to retrieve parts from locations that are too small for your hand to fit. And lastly, the flashlight is to light up the areas that you cannot see clearly.
What is cleaning tools? Having the appropriate cleaning tools is essential when maintaining or repairing computers. Using these tools, ensure that computer components are not damaged during cleaning. There are 4 examples of cleaning tools. Number 1, lint-free cloth is a special type of cleaning cloth used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Number 2, compressed air, used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components for sensitive electronics. Number 3, cable ties, also called zip ties, used for bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. And lastly, parts organizers, used to hold screws, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts to prevent getting mixed together if there is something you need to use.
What is diagnostic tools? Computers are easier to use, more dependable with each generation of hardware operating system updates. But does it mean that they problem-free? Here are the most popular tools for diagnostic with computer problems. First, multimeter. Also known as levometer, used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components and measure electrical voltage, current resistance, and so on. Multimeters are mainly of two types, analog and digital, but are used for measuring and fault detection of electrical circuits. Second, Lapback adapter is a network interface that can be used to test the functionality of computer ports and route network traffic from one application to another on the same computer. Go na!
Uy, narinig yung boses ko, putang.
What is diagnostic tools? Computers are easier.
I bought an responsibility. I will make this university. I will use my voice to make HIV awareness. I will relevant to my country's development. I want to show the world, the universe rather.